Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today, I have a very exciting and important update to share with you all regarding Pi Network. This latest news is something that every pioneer, whether you're actively mining or just holding on to your Pi coins, should be paying attention to. The Pi Network team has officially revealed new developments around ATM withdrawals and ATM installations, and it's something that could bring a big shift to the way we interact with Pi in the real world. The concept of using a cryptocurrency like Pi and converting it into your local fiat currency has always been a major goal for the network. And now, Pi Network is moving closer to making that vision a reality. According to the most recent update, the team is introducing a dedicated Pi Network ATM card. This card will allow pioneers from around the world to withdraw their Pi coins as fiat currency from ATMs. That's right. You'll be able to walk up to an ATM and take out money using your Pi balance. In today's update, I'm going to walk you through exactly how this card works, how you can apply for it, and when you might expect Pi Network ATMs to be available in your area. This could be a real game changer, especially for those who have been patiently waiting to use their Pi for real-world transactions. First of all, the ATM card rollout means that anyone actively participating in the Pi network, mining coins through the app and maintaining an active wallet, will soon have the opportunity to apply for a Pi ATM card. Once this card is in your hands, you'll be able to link it to your Pi wallet and use it just like a regular debit card. Whether you're withdrawing from a Pi-specific ATM or a traditional bank ATM like those from State Bank of India or HDFC Bank, your Pi coins will be converted to fiat currency and dispensed accordingly. But that's not all. In a move that shows just how serious Pi Network is about global adoption, they've also announced plans to install their own branded ATMs. These ATMs will be placed across cities, neighborhoods, shopping malls, and more. The idea is to make Pi withdrawals as accessible as possible, not just through existing bank infrastructure, but through a dedicated network of Pi machines designed to serve pioneers directly. Think about this. How often do you run into ATM fees or withdrawal limits when using one bank's card in another bank's machine? Pi Network is aiming to eliminate that friction by installing their own machines, so users don't have to worry about additional charges. That means no extra fees eating into your crypto just because you use the wrong ATM. This initiative is about much more than just convenience, it's about building an entire ecosystem around Pi and its usability in everyday life. Even if you don't have access to a Pi Network ATM in your area right away, you'll still be able to use any regular bank ATM to withdraw fiat currency using your Pi coins. This ensures that no one is left out, regardless of location. According to details from the Pi Network team, the ATMs are part of a larger infrastructure project that aligns with the upcoming launch of the Open Mainnet. Once the Mainnet is live, we'll begin to see the gradual rollout of Pi Network ATMs around the globe. The team has already confirmed that the Pi ATM system is being prepared to handle cryptocurrency withdrawals, making the transition from digital mining to physical cash a seamless one for users. They've also shared a powerful message with this announcement. Pi isn't just a cryptocurrency or a keyword in the Web3 space. It's being positioned as a signal of the larger financial revolution that's happening globally. The vision here is that one day, pioneers will be able to walk into any local bank or ATM center and withdraw their Pi coins just like they would with any other currency, without needing to worry about technical complexity or lack of accessibility. It's a bold, forward-thinking approach that clearly demonstrates the long-term goals Pi Network has in mind. They're not just thinking about the next 6 months, they're building something designed to serve millions for years to come. The ATM rollout is set to happen in phases. Once the Open Mainnet is launched, the ATM installation project will begin its execution. Over time, users in more and more regions will begin to see dedicated Pi ATMs popping up in their streets, neighborhoods, and public places. While there's no fixed date for the installation to begin just yet, the promise is that it will follow closely on the heels of the Mainnet going fully live. Another important point to note is that using the ATM card will involve a small gas fee. This is expected to be a minimal charge, more of a micropayment, that covers the cost of converting your Pi into fiat and processing the transaction. It's a common standard in the crypto world and ensures that the system remains sustainable and efficient. The card application process itself is also going to be simple. After the Open Mainnet goes live, users will be able to apply for the ATM card directly through the Pi mining app or through the Pi browser. That means you won't need to go through a complicated third-party system. Everything will be handled within the Pi ecosystem, keeping it secure, simple, and user-friendly. This is undoubtedly one of the biggest announcements from Pi Network so far. It shows the kind of serious infrastructure investment they are making to support their user base. It's no longer just about mining coins and watching numbers go up. Now, we're talking about real-world integration, real spending, and real financial empowerment, all powered by Pi. I know many of you have been asking when you'll finally be able to use your Pi in everyday life. Well, this is your answer. With ATMs on the way and fiat withdrawals becoming a reality, we're entering a new era for the Pi Network community. If you've been following Pi for a while, or if you're new and just learning about its potential, now is a great time to stay connected and informed. The next few months are going to be critical as we move from development into implementation. And I'll be here to keep you updated on every step of that journey. So what are your thoughts on this big update? Are you excited about using a Pi ATM card to withdraw money from any ATM near you? Let me know your opinion in the comments section below. I'd love to hear what you think. If you found this update valuable and informative, don't forget to give the video a like and share it with others in the Pi community. And if this is your first time on the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an important update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay excited for what's coming next with Pi Network.